guys, today I'm going to share with you how you can open a USA bank account despite the country where you are. Whether you're in Zambia, you are in South Africa, Morocco, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, whichever country that you can mention. You don't need actually even to be there in the USA in order for you to open a bank account. Open a bank account in whichever country you are in. All this, guys, is done online. It's done online. You check right there. There is the link in the video description. You click the link which will take you to this page. As you can see, as you are following, as you followed that link which I've shared in the video description, it will give you actually access for you to earn a $25. Right? It is not amazing, guys. This, I think, is an amazing. And guess what? This bank does also give you MasterCard. It will give you MasterCard that you can simply use to withdraw money from any ATM that support MasterCard. And if you don't have, or if you are not willing, or if you are not interested to have this MasterCard, you can also simply transfer the funds into your local bank account. All right. All right. One of the amazing thing about this bank is you can simply order the card for free. You don't need to pay anything. You order your card for free, and once you order your card for free, this bank will be able to send your card to your country. And guess what? Is they are not complicated, these steps that will actually qualify you to have an account with this bank, international bank. All right. So you've seen where it's written sign up and earn $25. What you do, you click right there, you click the button, and once you click the button, it will load and it will take you to a platform where you need to now fill in your details. All right, just stick with me as I go through you in this step. So the first step is where it's written, let's find the right account for your needs. So the bank is asking you to choose what you want to be using this bank account. Number one, is it for freelancer? Are you a freelancer or small business? Are you owning a small business? Are you a freelancer? All right. In case somebody may be asking themselves, what does a freelancer mean? There is a video that I'm about to make on how you can become a freelancer. All right. And you check also in the description, there is a video that I have uploaded that explains what it means to be a freelancer, how you can earn money from freelancing. All right. Then there is also online seller. Online seller, are you selling products? Are you having a website? So they want to know. Number three, are you an affiliate marketing? Would you want to be earning money? Just you without doing anything, but just you having an account with this bank, you'll be able to earn money. All right. Is this not amazing? I think this is amazing. Then there is a part where it says individual. Are you opening an account just an individual, where you're just opening an account as an individual? All right. So I would recommend you choose for freelancer or small business. All right. All right. But in case if you've got a website where you would want to link this bank account to your website, you can simply choose an online seller. All right. Why I say you choose freelancer is because you can simply use it in all these options where you can link it. If you are a seller, if you want to be earning money from affiliate marketing, where you'll be given a link that you'll be able to be sharing with your friends in order for you to be earning a living from this bank. All right. So I'll choose a freelancing right there. As you can see, I've chosen freelancing agents or service provider. All right. So you continue on register. All right. So this is the first step of the four steps where you need to fill in your name, where I would say, let me just take you through. So the first thing is asking you, are you registering as an individual or as a company? This bank, it will allow you to open, even if you have got a company, you can open a bank account as a company. But since you are an individual, I would go for individual. Okay. So I'll say uh, this is this is, for example, my name. Oh, sorry, the first name there. I'll say okay. So I'll say that's my name. Then I will choose the date of birth. All right. I'm wondering how I can do it quick. All right. Okay. How do I do it quick? All right. I will just put it 13. Let's see. That's my date of birth. You put your email right there. You put your email. Okay. This is for testing. Okay. I'll re-enter the email again. Okay. You need to confirm saying you are not a robot. Okay. What can I say about? There it is. Okay. There it is, verified. I think let me just okay. You choose next. It's refusing because of the date of birth. Okay. So so you follow the steps provided. You put your details there, your email, your date of birth, and you click next. Then it will take you to a place where you put your addresses, you put your national ID, you put your um, you put the details. You just be following the steps. It's very easy, very easy. You just follow the steps. Then the part where it says an address, make sure that you put the address because it will be required for during the verification of your account. All right, it will be required. So you can simply put the address which shows on the either water bill or on the on any other bill. Yes, but I would prefer using your bank statement as a proof of residence. You use your bank statement. On the bank statement there must be your full names which you've actually provided during registration of this account. Then number two, you need on the bank statement, there's a need of the address, the same address that you provide on this website is supposed to be the same address which will be on your bank statement. All right. Then the proof or the ID, you can either use your national ID and or a passport or a driver's license, but make sure that it is very clear. All right. Once you are done, and your account is up, uh, once you're done, your account is up. Okay, you can simply log in. There you are. As you can see, my balance, which is $6. This bank account to allow you to have cards, even multiple cards on different currencies. Where I have a card euro, okay, I have US dollar, I have euro, I have pound. All right. Otherwise, thank you so much. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe to the channel, and for more videos coming. The next video I'll be sharing how you can make money just by having a bank account. You'll be able to make money. All right, so stay tuned, subscribe, like the video. Thank you.